is a project of ZAMIN Academy. For personalized one-on-one tutoring, contact us by clicking the link in the video's description or our bio.
Hello and welcome to ZAMIN Academy. I'm your host Umair Raza. In this video, I'm going to tell you about a university in the US whose admissions are open now. The name of the university is Rice University. It is located in Houston, Texas. It's in the heart of the Houston. So if you are considering moving to the US, this university is for you. All of the Pakistani and Indian students, you can apply. Yes. Simply, I'm going to provide you the link below in which you can register yourself and you can start your application. For the program details, I'm going to tell you something that it requires IELTS. Yes, it is necessary. Secondly, it requires GRE for some programs, but for most programs, GRE is not required. Just like you can see, it is not required. For now, the undergraduate admissions are not open, but the master's and the doctoral admissions are open. You can apply freely for these programs. You can check your programs by the link below. I'm going to give you. So these are the overview of the programs you can apply. The portal is open now. You can see that there are different programs of engineering and technology for masters and different programs for PhD. Simple, you have to just log in into this website and start your application. Yes, you will be requiring your IELTS exam and GRE for some program. So best of luck for applying to this university. And if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments below. And I'll keep you guys updated about these universities and their admissions. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing to this channel and joining the membership. Subscribing is free, so you can subscribe and live happily. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Book your free demo lecture now. For more free videos, support us by subscribing to this channel.